Today's video is a haul video. So I went to Sarojini Nagar market to do some shopping and I posted an Instagram picture from there, and a lot of you guys said that you wanted to see a haul. So here is that video for you. So I'm just going to jump right in. So if you guys enjoy haul videos, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also if you're new here, make sure you subscribe. And yeah, that's about it. Let's just get started. So Sarojini Nagar market is the best place to shop on this planet. It is so cheap, and to be honest, you have to do a little bit of like digging around, not a little bit, quite a lot. But once you get used to the place, you know where everything is. It's pretty simple, and I think I'm really proud of myself because I did a whole lot of good bargaining this time. So I'm just gonna start with what I bought. The first thing that I got is this t-shirt. It has this really nice gold foil print on it and with some stuff written in French. It basically means I do what I want, which I think is pretty apt for me. And this t-shirt is the kind that you can see on Pinterest or on Instagram. So I think it's pretty fashionable and it's really nice. The next thing that I got is this pair of shorts. It has this like rainforesty kind of print on it, and it looks really good with the t-shirt that I just showed you. And it was pretty cheap, like 200 bucks, which is awesome. The next thing that I got is this kimono. I think this is the best thing that I bought all day. It's so bohemian and so festively. It has this gorgeous print all over, and it has these tassels everywhere, which I love so much. And it was for like 210 bucks, which I think is really cool. The next thing that I got is this pair of like denim pants, pajamas. I don't know, they're just really cool. The best thing about them is that they're super comfortable, and I think they're really stylish as well to wear with like crop tops and like normal like blouses. So yeah, I really like this one, and it was only for 300 bucks, which is awesome. Moving on, the next thing that I got is a pair of sunglasses. Alright, so sunglasses, I don't know why, they just look really silly on my face. And so I found a pair in Sarojini Nagar in which I don't look like a complete idiot. So that's kind of like an achievement for me, and I'm pretty stoked about that. They were only like 150 bucks, which I think is really good. The next thing is this bracelet. Okay, this thing is super cool. I mean, look at this. It's really nice, and apart from the fact that it's like stretchy, it just looks really nice as well to wear with like ethnic kind of outfits. So I really like this one. It was only 30 bucks, which is awesome. The next thing is this plain old printed maxi skirt. It has this bright yellow print on it, which I love. So I think it'll be really good to wear with like a plain black or a white crop top. So it'll be really good to wear to like college or just a casual day out. The next thing that I got is this black crop top. It is super cute. It has full sleeves and it has this really adorable Peter Pan collar, and it is of this really like nice satiny material, so it can be dressed up as well. But I think it'll look really good with like plain casual high-waisted jeans. So I'm really excited to wear that one. The next thing is this black maxi skirt. So I gave away a skirt exactly like this in my giveaway, and I was pretty sad because I felt like keeping that skirt. So I was really happy when I found a skirt exactly like that in Sarojini Nagar, and it has Bermuda tags on it, so that is super awesome. Next thing is just this regular simple crop top t-shirt. It has a really nice bright blue color, and it has a tie-dye print all over it, which I really like, and it's really good to wear with a casual or like jeans or shorts or even a skirt. So yeah, that's really good for like everyday college. And the last thing that I got is this really ugly pink shirt, which I was supposed to buy by my friend who came with me. So yeah, don't be stupid like me, because this was like 100 bucks I think, and I bought it because I thought it was a little cute and they were selling it for so cheap. So this one is like this knit material. It doesn't even fit me well. It's really loose, so I might wear it, but I'll probably wear something over it. So my advice to you guys is to just go around the entire market, you know, buy something that you actually really like, not just because it's really cheap, because everything is super cheap and it can be bargained down to whatever price works for you. That's about it for my haul video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also leave a comment below about what item you like best in this haul. So yeah, that's about it. I will see you next time. Bye!